Hello everybody, it's your favorite truck salesman, Rob DeFilippi from Bentley Truck Services over in Luzerne. I have another used truck that came in that I want to talk to you a little bit about today. Right here is a 2015 Isuzu NPR with a gas motor. The truck is 12,000 GVW. It has a 132-inch wheelbase. It has a 14-foot aluminum dry freight body on it. Okay, this truck is 12,000 GVW, and the way it sits, it'll haul about 4,000 pounds of legal payload. Okay, 85-inch high body. I'll come around. You want to come around to the back? I'll show you what the inside of the body looks like. It's got plywood floors, carpeted slats, slat lining, 2 rows of etrack sides and front. It's got a ramp so you can walk up in and out of the truck easily. ICC step bumper. And then I'm going to show you the inside of the truck real quick. As I said, this is a gas motor. Okay, 6-liter gas engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission behind it. This particular truck has 97,000 miles on it. Okay, qualifies for the Isuzu Gold Star warranty. The truck has been through our shop. We've gone over this truck soup to nuts. Fully trimmed cab, 3-person seating, tilt and telescopic is standard, power windows are standard, automatic power door locks are standard. If you have any questions about this truck or any other truck that we might have here on the lot, we have a few of these used ones coming in. Give me a call, Rob DeFilippi, Bentley Truck Services, 570-288-4452.